You know, the chapter 14 of Quran, that is Ibrahim, chapter Ibrahim, this chapter 14. The very first verse of this chapter is Kitabun anzalnahu ilayk litukhrijan an-nasa min adh-dhulumati ila an-nur. This is the first verse of chapter 14 of the Quran. The translation of this verse is, God says that we have sent you the book, Al-Quran, so that you may bring people from darkness to light. This is the purpose of revelation. This is the purpose of prophet. This is the purpose of sending Quran. We have sent you this book, that is Quran, so that you may bring people from darkness to light. It means that Islam is completely an ideological campaign, an ideological mission. Those people who are living in darkness means ideological darkness. Here darkness means ideological darkness, theoretical darkness. So the purpose of Quran, the purpose of Prophet is to bring people from this ideological darkness and make them to live in ideological light. Tawheed is an ideology, and other Tawheed is an ideology of light. So all those people who are living in other ideologies, all those ideologies are darkness, ideology of darkness. So Quran wants to bring these people from darkness to light. You can see that this mission is completely an ideological mission. This mission can be achieved only through peace, not through sword and gun and war. This mission is based completely on persuasion, on dialogue, on discussion, on intellectual awakening. You can say, you can understand that this kind of an ideological mission cannot afford war, cannot afford violence. It is but natural that this kind of mission requires peace every time, at any cost, at any price. Because only in peaceful condition, only in peaceful situation, you can persuade people. You can organize dialogue and discussions. Without peace, there is no dialogue. Without peace, there is no discussion. Without peace, there is no persuasion. Without peace, there is no ideological campaign. So, it is quite evident that war and violence are irrelevant in the scheme of Islam. The scheme of Islam given by the Quran, given by the Islam, requires peace in complete sense of the word. War and violence and intolerance, all these things are irrelevant, unwanted in Islamic scheme, completely unwanted.